In the previous video, we have seen how to obtain trigonometric ratios for certain angles, right? For 0 degrees angle, 30 degrees angle, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, 90 degrees. What are the values of sine function, cos function, tan function, like that, right? So, and we have obtained this particular table. In this video, we are going to learn about a trick to write this table without remembering all this table. Okay, let's see what is the trick. You see here I have written 0, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees and 90 degrees, right? To begin with, let me write numbers 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, we are done with first step. We have written numbers 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4, right? Now let me write square root to all these numbers. Right, you have done second step also. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to divide every number with number 2. Right, now you see what is the value of square root of 0 divided by 2. Square root of 0 is 0, divided by 2 is also 0, right? So let me write sine 0 degrees equal to 0. Right, this particular 0 I have written here. Now square root of 1 divided by 2, we know square root of 1 is 1, divided by 2 is 1 by 2. So let's write sine 30 degrees equal to 1 by 2. Square root of 2 divided by 2 can be written as 1 by root 2. Right? 2 can be written as square root of 2 times square root of 2. Right? For that reason, square root of 2 divided by 2 is going to be 1 by root 2. Let's write sine 45 degrees equal to 1 by root 2. Now you have 60 degrees, that is root 3 by 2. Can you simplify this further? No, right? Let's write this as is. Sine 60 degrees is equal to root 3 by 2. Now what we have is for 90 degrees square root of 4 divided by 2. Square root of 4 is 2 divided by 2, that is equal to 1. So let's write that. Sine 90 degrees is equal to 1. Now we are done with sine theta, right? Look at this particular row and this particular row. You have every number same, right? Now let's write the same thing for cos theta. How do we do it? Earlier we started with number 0 and gone up to 4, right? Now let me write number 4, number 3. Let me write this. Number 3, number 2, number 1 and 0, right? In the similar way, let me apply square root to all of the numbers. Okay, now let me divide every number with number 2. Right, square root of 4 divided by 2 is 2 by 2, that is equal to 1, right? Let's write cos 0 degrees equal to 1. Root 3 by 2 can be written as is, so cos 30 degrees is equal to root 3 by 2. And square root of 2 divided by 2 is 1 by root 2. That's why cos 45 degrees is 1 by root 2. Now you have for 60 degrees square root of 1 divided by 2, that is 1 divided by 2. That's why cos 60 degrees is going to be 1 by 2. Square root of 0 divided by 2 is 0 divided by 2, that is equal to 0. Let me write cos 90 degrees equal to 0. Understood? Now compare that for the cos function values. Let's write now what are the values for tan theta. Okay, we know that tan theta can be written as sine theta by cos theta, right? For 0 degrees, sine 0 is 0 divided by 1, that is equal to 0. Right, 0 by 1 is 0. Let me write that. And then when it comes to 30 degrees, 1 by 2 divided by root 3 by 2, that can be written as 1 by root 3. Let's write that, 1 by root 3. Now you have sine 45 degrees equal to 1 by root 2. And cos 45 degrees is also same 1 by root 2, means I can write it as 1 by 1, that is equal to 1. Let's write that, right? Now for 60 degrees, you have root 3 by 2 divided by 1 by 2, right? That can be written as root 3 by 2 into 2 by 1, that's equal to root 3. Let's write that. Tan 60 degrees is root 3. Now you have, for 90 degrees, you have 1 by 0. Okay. Anything by 0, we don't know exactly the value, right? Sometimes people say that it is infinity, but otherwise you can say that it is not defined, right? Let me write ND. Got it? Now we have even tan function also values. Just compare this tan function values with tan function values written here, right? Now let's look at cosec theta. Cosec theta can be written as 1 by sin theta. Look at the sine values, okay? For 0 degrees, 1 by 0, that is equal to not defined. Let's write that, okay? For 30 degrees, it is going to be 1 by 1 by 2, right? 1 divided by 1 by 2 becomes 2. Let's write that. And when it comes to 45 degrees, it is going to be 1 divided by 1 by root 2. That is equal to root 2. Let's write that. When it comes to 60 degrees, it is going to be 2 by root 3. Right? When it comes to 90 degrees, it is going to be 1 by 1, that is equal to 1. Cosec function, now compare the cosec function values. All same, right? Now let's look at sec theta. We know that sec theta can be written as 1 by cos theta, right? Now you see the values of cos function. For 0 degrees, it is 1, means sec 0 degrees is going to be 1 by 1, that is equal to 1, right? Now for 30 degrees, it is going to be 2 by root 3, because you have here root 3 by 2, right? For 45 degrees, it is going to be 1 divided by 1 by root 2, that becomes root 2, right? Let's write that. When it comes to 60 degrees, it is going to be 1 divided by 1 by 2, that is equal to 2. When it comes to 90 degrees, it has to be 1 by 0, means not defined. Now you compare sec function values. All same. Now let us write cot theta. Cot theta can be defined as cos theta divided by sin theta, right? Here for 0 degrees, cos theta is 1 and sin theta is 0, means 1 by 0, that is going to be not defined, right? Cot 0 degrees equal to not defined. Then when it comes to 30 degrees, it is root 3 by 2 divided by 1 by 2. Root 3 by 2 divided by 1 by 2 can be written as root 3 by 2 into 2 by 1, right? It is going to be equal to root 3. Let's write that. When it comes to 45 degrees, it is 1 by root 2 divided by 1 by root 2, that is equal to 1. When it comes to 60 degrees, it is 1 by 2 divided by root 3 by 2. That can be written as 1 by 2 into 2 by root 3. That is going to be 1 by root 3, right? Let's write that. When it comes to 90 degrees, it is 0 divided by 1. 0 divided by 1 is 0, right? Let's write that. So you understood now? Cot theta values are also same, right? This is the trick. I hope you like the video. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel, Learn to Score. Thank you.